Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you are looking out to clear the system cache on your Android device without losing data, and you are wondering how to do so, you may follow up these methods for that and you should be able to do it. So, for that, you can start by going ahead and clearing the individual app cache. This is one of the safest and the most common method you can follow. So, for that, you need to access your device's settings. And once you access the device's settings, you can scroll down, go to the apps option, and tap on it. And within apps, you can individually go ahead and clear out the cache for each of the application. So you can tap on the app, and once you tap on your app, scroll down, go to storage, and within storage, tap on clear cache and clear the cache without losing any data. If you'd like to do it for system apps, you need to filter out. So look out for the filter option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go over and enable this option right here, show system apps. And you can enable it and just go over and tap on OK. And from your system app as well, you can clear up out your cache on your Android device. Apart from that, you can just go over and use another method as well. For that, you need to head over and go to the battery and device care section and tap on it. And within there, you can clear out the cache for your RAM. So go to memory. And from memory, it should start checking. You can wait for a while. And once it is done, you should be finding a clean now option directly on your screen. You just need to tap on that option, and that should also clear out the system cache on your Android without losing any kind of data. And that's it. You may follow up this method if you'd like to go ahead and clear out the system cache on your Android as well. We hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.